What is up, guys? I'm back and I'm here with my dad today, and we've got a bunch of weird stuff to try and eat. So I have no idea what the name of this video is yet, but it's pretty much trying out a bunch of weird stuff. So the first one we have is pepper pomsite, and if you don't know what that is, I can't help you, but I'm gonna try it now. Ready? It tastes like mango. Okay, actually tastes good. Should I get like a napkin or something to rest on, but too late. Okay, finish? No, you're not finished yet. Finish? Okay, next weird snack is preserved channa. If you don't know what channa is, can't help you either. This is looking like you're going to taste dangerous. Ready? Oh shucks! You're not supposed to eat the skin! Oh, I'm supposed to take the skin off. It have the same exact taste as pomsite, but the texture of channa. I'm very pleasant.
Like preserves.
Yeah, I really like the channa. Next one. Okay. Next weird snack is preserved dongs. If you don't know what that is, I can't help you again either. Some kind of smelling bad. Okay, I'm gonna mash up one. It's smelling real weird. Ready? Oh, I like this one. Okay, next one, as fast as possible. So I know how many of you know plantain chips. This is breadfruit chips, and hopefully it get this horrible dung taste out of our mouths. Breadfruit chips. Ugh, taste of the dung still. Yeah. Ready? Oh, you eat it like that? Okay. It does just taste like plantain chips, but made of breadfruit. I think my favorite out of all was the pepper pomsite, which was the favorite out of all. But breadfruit chips, but this have almost no taste. Wow, you could keep that. I don't like that.
I do.
Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That's all the weird snacks we have for today. But if you enjoyed it and you want to see more, leave a comment below and let us know. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Feel free to share the video and hit thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one. We're about to do this new challenge where when you hold someone's hands for a few seconds, their vein turns a different color.